Very good morning, students. This is Jay Vishakan. For today's session, let me just compare all the three methods. That is the kinetic methods of solving the problem is D'Alembert method, work energy principle, and principle of impulse momentum. Let me just list down the comparison for your better understanding. So first starts with D'Alembert's principle. D'Alembert's principle, right? This kinetic problems involves involving force and acceleration only. Force and acceleration. Assume a body is here. Its weight acts vertical downwards. The reaction would be perpendicular to the surface of the body. Suppose external force is being applied to pull the body towards positive x direction. If it happens, the frictional force would be opposite of the moment. See, as far as D'Alembert principle is concerned, inertia force acts on the opposite direction of the motion, so which is nothing but ma. So here you have to remember an inertia force which is ma acts on the opposite direction of motion or movement of the body. Here you will have to apply the equilibrium condition. Which is summation h is equal to 0 and summation b equal to 0. So mainly, as far as D'Alembert principle is concerned, what needs to find is acceleration, which is A, and tension T. Right? Suppose a string problem is there. Assume a string problem. Block A, block B. Right. Here, look at A. So as far as pulley A is concerned, it is supported by two strings. Right. Hence, acceleration for two string is, so block A is supported by two strings, I mean on either side. Hence, acceleration of block A shall be A by 2. In other words, A equal to A by 2 and AB equal to A. So this thing you'll have to keep it in mind while solving the problem by using D'Alembert's principle. Right. Let me take next one, work energy principle. See, as far as work energy principle is concerned, the kinetic problems the kinetic problems involving force, velocity and displacement. Velocity and displacement. Right? So the formula, work done equal to change in kinetic energy. So in other words, the formula shall be summation V or summation into displacement equal to m by 2 into v square minus u square. Right. Suppose the block is moving in the horizontal position, then the condition shall be summation h is not equal to 0, summation v equal to 0. The motion, this is p, this is the motion. Right. Suppose a pulley with two weights or suspended. Look at here. Either if suppose the weight of A block is greater than B, it moves here. So for block A, it should be block A, summation V is not equal to 0 because the moment is here downwards, here upwards. So summation V is not equal to 0, summation H is equal to 0. In addition to this, the body motion, the body moving direction is positive and the opposite direction as negative. Clear? Right. Suppose two pulley problem, similarly this one, if you use this kind of problem, then this can be mentioned in this manner. Let me just explain. After drawing the sketch, I will explain. So this is block B and this is block A, right? This is block A. Here, assume block A is greater than block B. So block A is supported by two strings. Hence, velocity here, the term velocity, right? Here the term is acceleration, whereas work energy principle is concerned, it's a velocity. So velocity of block A shall be V by 2. In other words, VA equal to V by 2 and VB equal to V. Clear? The third one is principle of impulse and momentum. Principle of impulse and momentum. Here the kinetic problems involving force, time and velocity, right? So here the formula is impulse equal to change in momentum. Impulse is nothing but force into time. change in momentum is mass into, that is final velocity minus initial velocity, right? Fine. Suppose here the body is moving in the right hand direction, so the motion of the body is right hand direction. Here summation h is not equal to 0, summation v equal to 0. For a pulley problem, this is A and this is B. When the body moves down, that means assume A is greater than B, that is weight of the A block is greater than B, therefore it tends to move this direction. So here the condition would be summation V is not equal to 0, summation H equal to 0. In addition to this, body moving direction is positive and the opposite direction as negative. Clear? Suppose a two-string problem where a body is hang. This is block A and block B. Here assume this is higher, so it goes down and it comes up, right? So here this block A pulley is supported with two string, therefore block A is supported by two strings, hence velocity of block A shall be half of the velocity. So in other words, VA equal to V by 2, VB is equal to, in other words, VB, the velocity of block B is twice the velocity of block A. So 1 V equal to half V of A, right? So these are the points we'll have to just remember to solve problem by using D'Alembert's method or work energy method or principle of impulse momentum method. Okay, thank you.